Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Online Business Entrepreneur. In this video, we're gonna see 6 legitimate way to make money online. It's like a passive income. It's like a big money guys. This is a 6 legitimate way to make money in online. This is a popular website we're gonna see, and this is most common website to make money. People that make money with this website or make good amount of money with this website. We're gonna see which are the website are there, and let's find out. Let's dive into the video, and then I invite to subscribe to my channel for this type of content. I upload this type of content daily, and you see all the content to make money with the help of me guys. I like to upload many content as much as I can. You see and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and like this video guys. Let's dive into video. First website we're gonna see make $100 over and over again. This website called Amazon Association guys. Probably heard of this website. This is a good website to make money online. Most of the people make money with this website. It's the common website. This is good website to make money online guys. You get lots of commission with this website, and you just go to amazon.com and copy that link and paste in the Amazon Associate and shrink in the Amazon affiliate link and paste it anywhere in the internet. If you get a good sale, you could make a passive income. This is the Amazon Association guys. Next website we're gonna see is Shopify business. Did you probably heard of Kylie Jenner make $1 billion with a Shopify store? She's good marketing skill and she has a good power to purchase. This is Shopify, but we got to see Shopify to sell. We're gonna see Shopify affiliate program. Shopify affiliate program is the good way to make money guys. Everyone to make money with Shopify affiliate program. You generally make money with Shopify, but you also make money with Shopify affiliate. If anyone sign up with Shopify by your link, you get paid some small commission guys. It's like a passive income. You once put your link in the online, if anyone click this, you get paid. First, you all need a good website. That's a third method to make money guys. That's called website making. I recommend to get a website with a Bluehost. It's a $3 a month. It's the easy money. $3 a month. You get this website and start a niche website or any random website to put Amazon link or Shopify affiliate link, and everybody is organic traffic. Google search is the most number one search in the world. Organic viewers are coming and click your link and you get paid. First you need a good website. It's called Bluehost. It's $3, just $3. You get a website and you also get Google AdSense with this. This is the third way to make money online. Create a niche website with the help of Bluehost. And the fourth one we're gonna see is a Fiverr.com. You also heard of the Fiverr.com. It's a good way to make money. You make money with selling your time or make money with affiliate program. Two ways to make money with Fiverr. You can do anything what you want to do, and I recommend affiliate or creating a gig, waiting for sales and get paid. That's a way to make money. People are making good amount of money with Fiverr. I see my friend, he make 100k in a year with a Fiverr. So good, Fiverr is good. Similar website called Upwork, freelancer.com. You can also sign up with this and upload gig on the and waited for customer and get paid. It is like a passive. I think it's passive. Alright, I think a passive. Next website we're gonna talk about is Merch by Amazon. Is this a good website I'd ever seen? It's the passive income, and Amazon has a lots of traffic source with this, and people are making good amount of with Amazon. Sorry guys, some internet issue, still loading. We gonna talk about Merch by Amazon. It's a long-term process, but it's the effective process. Once you upload a design, you get sales every day because Amazon has organic traffic, lots of traffics in their website, and you make good amount of money. Merch by Amazon is the easiest way to make money. People will make good amount of money. Just you need Photoshop skill or any kind of design. Just need at least editing skill. Everybody has at least editing skills. You make good amount of money with this Merch by Amazon. It's a good way. Next website, this is last website but not least, it's the most common website to make a passive income. I think you already guessed this website. This website called youtube.com. People are telling make money with youtube.com and good amount of money with youtube.com. YouTube is a good way to make money, guys. Uploading a content and get views and make money is a good way to make money on YouTube. YouTube is a good way to make money, guys. Wait for views, at least you get 4,000 hour watch times, 1,000 subscribers to reach your threshold and approved for monetization and put ads on your videos. This is the easiest and passive way. Like example of Logan Paul, PewDiePie, number one YouTuber in the world. He's make millions of dollars per month. Like Ninja, TFU, any other guy you want to take this. These guys will make a good amount of money with you. So good amount of money, not like a big amount of money make with this YouTube. People are doing good YouTube. I think this is 6 website, guys. First one, Amazon Association. Second one, Shopify affiliate or sale. Next one, Bluehost or website creating niche, make money with the website and affiliate program and ads in the website. Fourth, Fiverr account, freelancer or affiliate thing. Fifth, Merch by Amazon. Last but not least, YouTube. YouTube is the main course to make money in the online. I think you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share with your friends in this video, and we're gonna see next video. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you guys. Make money online. Peace.